Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about my personal health habits recently and wanted to share my experiences with you. Do you mind talking about your exercise routine, sleep habits, and how you stay hydrated?
Not at all, Sarah. I believe that taking care of our health is very important. I try to exercise regularly, sleep well, and drink plenty of water every day. It helps me feel energetic and focused.
That sounds great, Tom. I have been trying to improve my habits too. For example, I started jogging every morning. I run for about 30 minutes around my neighborhood. It is not very fast, but it makes me feel refreshed.
Jogging is an excellent way to start the day. I also go for a run, but sometimes I prefer walking if I feel tired. I find that even a short walk can clear my mind and help me plan my day.
I agree. After my jog, I usually stretch for a few minutes. I learned that stretching helps prevent injuries and keeps my muscles relaxed.
Yes, stretching is very important. I do some simple stretches after my run, like touching my toes and doing a few arm circles. It really helps me relax.
What about your sleep? I try to go to bed at the same time every night around 10 p.m., but sometimes I have trouble falling asleep.
I try to sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. I find that having a regular bedtime helps me sleep better. When I have trouble sleeping, I listen to soft music or read a book before bed.
Listening to soft music sounds like a good idea. I sometimes drink a warm cup of herbal tea before sleep. It makes me feel calm and ready for bed.
That is a great tip, Sarah. I sometimes drink chamomile tea in the evening. It has a gentle flavor and helps me relax.
Speaking of drinks, I also try to drink water regularly throughout the day. I keep a water bottle with me at work and school so that I can sip water often.
I do the same. I try to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day. I think staying hydrated is one of the simplest ways to maintain good health.
Yes, water is very important for our body. It helps with digestion and keeps our skin healthy. Sometimes I add a slice of lemon to my water for extra flavor.
I enjoy lemon water too. It tastes fresh and helps me feel more awake. I also avoid drinking too many sugary drinks because I want to keep my energy levels steady.
That is smart, Tom. I used to drink a lot of soda, but now I have cut back and choose water or herbal teas instead. It makes me feel better overall.
It sounds like we are both working hard to take care of ourselves. I believe that small changes in our daily routine can lead to big improvements in our health.
I agree completely. For example, I have also started to plan my meals better. I try to eat a balanced diet with fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. I believe that good nutrition goes hand in hand with exercise and sleep.
Absolutely. I make an effort to cook at home as often as possible. I like to prepare simple meals like grilled chicken with salad or vegetable stir fry with brown rice. Eating healthy helps me stay energetic during the day.
I love home-cooked meals too. I enjoy experimenting with new recipes, like making a quinoa salad with fresh vegetables and a lemon dressing. It is both healthy and delicious.
That sounds tasty, Sarah. I think cooking at home is a great way to control what you eat. Plus, it is a fun activity when you try new ingredients and recipes.
Yes, it is. I also try to avoid eating too late at night. I have learned that having a heavy meal close to bedtime can disturb my sleep.
I have the same experience. I try to finish my dinner at least 2 hours before going to bed. It gives my body time to digest the food, and I sleep much better.
It is all about finding the right balance, isn't it? Balancing exercise, proper sleep, healthy eating, and staying hydrated really improves our quality of life.
Exactly, Sarah. I think all these habits work together. When I feel well rested, I am more motivated to exercise and make healthy food choices. It is a positive cycle.
Yes, and I have noticed that when I take care of my health, I also feel happier and more productive at work and in my personal life.
I feel the same way. I used to be tired all the time, but since I started focusing on my health, I have much more energy.
Have you learned any other tips that help you maintain these habits, Tom?
One tip I have learned is to set small, achievable goals. For example, I set a goal to run a little farther each week, or to drink one extra glass of water each day. It makes progress easier and less overwhelming.
That is a great idea. I do something similar with my sleep schedule. I try to go to bed 10 minutes earlier each night until I reach my target time.
Incremental changes are very effective. I also use a fitness app to track my exercise and water intake. It helps me stay on track and reminds me when I need to move or drink water.
I've heard of those apps. I might try one soon. It sounds like a good way to monitor progress without having to think about it all the time.
Yes, it is very helpful, and sometimes I like to share my progress with friends. We motivate each other to keep up our healthy habits.
I love that idea. I think sharing experiences can inspire others. I sometimes talk with my colleagues about our morning walks or healthy lunches. It creates a supportive environment.
That's very true. I feel more encouraged when I know that others are also working on their health. It makes the journey less lonely.
I also believe that taking time for self-care is essential. Even if you have a busy schedule, a little exercise, proper sleep, and drinking water can make a big difference.
Absolutely. I try to remind myself that my health is important. I set reminders on my phone for breaks, drinking water, and even a short meditation session.
Meditation is a good idea. I practice for a few minutes every morning. It helps me clear my mind and start the day with a positive attitude.
I want to try meditation sometime. It might help me deal with stress better.
I believe it will, Tom. It took me some time to get used to it, but now I feel more peaceful and focused.
That's encouraging. I will start with just a few minutes each day. It is all about making small changes that add up over time.
Exactly. I also try to plan my day with a simple routine. I wake up at the same time, have a healthy breakfast, exercise, work, and then relax in the evening. It helps me manage my time and feel more balanced.
I do that too. A regular routine makes it easier to maintain healthy habits. I set my alarm for the same time every day and try to stick to my schedule even on weekends.
It is not always easy, but I believe that consistency is key. When you build a habit, it eventually becomes part of your daily life.
I completely agree, Sarah. I feel that every small habit I improve makes me a better version of myself.
Thank you for this wonderful conversation, Tom. Talking about our healthcare habits makes me feel more motivated to keep improving.
Thank you, Sarah. I enjoyed our discussion as well. It is always good to share tips and learn from each other. I feel inspired to try new strategies to stay healthy.
Let's keep in touch and continue sharing our progress. Perhaps we can meet for a walk or a cup of herbal tea sometime and discuss more health tips.
That sounds like a great idea, Sarah. I would love to do that. I'll send you a message later this week so we can plan a healthy outing together.
Perfect. I look forward to it. Have a wonderful day, Tom, and take care of your health.
Thank you, Sarah. You too. Stay healthy and happy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Tom.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.